The theatre critics. We are many and we write about all the performing arts, theatre, dance, opera, musicals, puppetry, and all kind of performances for different ages, young audiences and old. We are many, and I'm one among them. I am Margareta Sörensson, a Swedish dance and theatre critic, and I'm the president of the International Association of Theatre Critics, one of the associations in partnership with ITI UNESCO. This year, 2020, nothing is what it used to be. The performing arts are in an intermission for months and maybe finally a year. And we would like to say to the many artists, we know you are in very difficult situations. You are not alone. We are with you. We observe and we analyze, we evaluate and discuss as we always do. Our work is a lonely one. Maybe this is why we need so intensely to meet, to exchange views and ideas with all the theatre professionals, but also between us. The IATC gathers more than 3,000 members, critics in all parts of the world. The last decade has meant a breakthrough for a true internationalism in our association, but in the year of the pandemic, this cannot be done by traveling and by meeting, so we went online. Right now there are 2 online workshops for young critics, one moderated from India by Deepa Punjani, one from Japan by Mariko Anasala. We have organized online conferences between critics where we try to focus on the aesthetics of streamed productions and online productions and already filmed productions and how they change our views of what performing arts might be. We also made a conference on the vacuum after all the summer festivals were gone this year. The best showcase for criticism is our web journal, Critical Stages. It has a great reach out, it's free of charge, it's run by the Critics Association, and it works with editors of the best qualifications. And luckily, the pandemic did not affect this journal. It could go on publishing, as it always do, and it also became the platform for the conferences mentioned. In our website, we opened a new section focusing on the activities of the national associations because we saw that the national associations were doing great work to help and support the theaters and other art forms on the stage where they live. And we made it a Corona special, which is slowly becoming a kind of new normal, but it gives a good insight in the activities of critics around the world. We welcome you all to look into our activities and to follow our work. We all hope that we can meet very soon again, and whenever this will happen, we, the critics, we will be there for you.